Hi food lovers, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to make a refreshing herbal tea to improve digestion. Today I will use 1 green tea bag with ginger and 1 peppermint tea bag. You can also use other natural spices and herbs such as cinnamon and raw or powdered ginger. First, boil 1 cup of water. Then pour the hot water into a container. Then add the tea bags. Then leave to steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add a squeeze of lemon, then sweeten as you like. We added 1 tablespoon of honey. You can enjoy it just as is or with whatever you like, cake, biscuit, etc. Thank you for joining me on this culinary adventure today. Remember to hit that like button, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will never miss a recipe from Taste of Jamaica. And as we say in Jamaica, one love.